Hi guys. Sorry kung hindi na ako ganun ka-active mag-streaming kasi nga I had a bad internet connection here in the island. So I hope you guys understand me. I tried but yet my video is blurry, so I'm so sorry. But as of the moment, I'm going to magsulod ko ba? I will try to brush my hair if I had a lice or what you call it, kuto. Pero sa tingin ko, ano lang to, kaspa. Kaspa. Siguro more on videos muna tayo mga bebe. Kasi wala talaga akong internet. Kasi nga, lagi kami dito may bagyo. Kaya nakakatamad mag-live. Blurred din naman ang video. Gyud kas para giding ako ang daghan. At yun lang. Dahil December na, gusto lang kitang batiin ng Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you all. Thank you for always supporting TV Vlog. Love you all.